Hello! All right. Are you ready for back to school? Summer went by way too fast. So, I'm going to show you the new entrepreneurship course I created. So, this is so exciting. I have to say, I love My Tech High, and I'm so excited that they added this curriculum option as one of their homeschooling options. So, as you may or may not know, if you watch many of my videos or follow my blogs, I am from a family who is very entrepreneurship minded. So I've done a lot of different businesses over the years, and I love it. My kids are always wanting to do things, and it's great. So I was so excited when My Tech High had this option for entrepreneurship course, and so I created a whole course for my daughter to do this year, and I figured while I'm doing it, I may as well have it in a format that other people can download and print and do as well. And so if I'm going to do the work, you guys may as well benefit from it as well, right? So this course is available on my blog at a2z4moms.com. The link will be down below this video. But let me walk you through the course really quick and give you kind of an idea what's included. All right, so I put mine, so I just printed it off. It comes in a PDF document, so you can print it off yourself. You can print it off as needed, or just use it digitally. It's fine too. But I like to keep things organized in binders for my girls. So there's our cover page. Now, page 1. This is, let's see if I can get it centered there. This is the table of contents. This is pretty much everything that's in the course. So then we have this is the welcome page. I'm trying to figure out from my teacher days how I can do this. It takes a lot of skills. Let's see, can I just turn that the wrong way? No, that way. Okay. It actually takes a lot of skills as a teacher to hold a book and show the whole class what's on the pages, especially as you read it. I mean, it looks easy. Teachers make it look easy, but it's actually kind of complicated. So here's a welcome page. This is from last year when my girls did snow cones as a little business. This is called the YEA, Y-E-A. So Y is your idea, E stands for execute, and A stands for analyze. With businesses, you're constantly doing that over and over, so it's important to understand that process. These are some different types of, there we go, now I can, and hopefully not get a glare. These are some different types of businesses, especially, this is all geared for kids, keep in mind. So this page, this is your definitions. So these are common business words and their definitions, things that they'll want to learn how to do. This is some funding options. So even when you first start out a business, you're going to have startup costs. Whoa, holy messages. Okay. So when you first start out a business, you're going to have funding costs and startup costs. So this is some funding options, where to get the money to start up. Okay, then this is the first step, your idea. This is the plan. This is your explanation of how you want to come up with a game plan, right? This is for your data collection. This tells you what the importance of data collection is. And then just some more ideas and things to think about, to keep in mind. I'm turning it the wrong way. There we go. Ideas and things to keep in mind. Now this is a list where they go through and they're going to list out possible business ideas. This is their brainstorming. So they're going to make a list of a bunch of different business ideas that they are interested in doing. And then from that list, they're going to choose 4. So this course is made to be a full year course. So they're going to do 4 different businesses throughout the school year. That gives them about 2 months per course to work on. And then this is kind of some success tips. And we have a crossword puzzle, a word search. This is all involved with those business words and definitions as well, those same words. So it kind of gets them a way that they can use them. All right, so now here's the worksheets. So these worksheets, this is the first one. This is the plan, which we have that previous page that tells you about the plan, so they know what to put in here. They can always refer back to that page, and this is where they're going to put in their information. This is for business idea number 1. Remember, they're going to do 4 businesses throughout the school year. So this is for idea number 1. This is the data collection. So this is what they do before they start their business, before they start working the business. So a lot of this is like estimates, right? They don't know. They're thinking, okay, well, cost approximately this. So a lot of this is going to be estimated. And so they have all that in their tools, everything. This is their data collection. Then they have executing the plan. So this is they have a checklist here of a few things, and then they make their own checklist of specific to their business, to what they're doing and what they need to do to actually, what's their goal start date. You know, they want to start working on this date, and this is what they need to do, and these are the things they have to prepare for. Then this is their post data collection. So this is where after they've done their business, this is the actual costs of things, the actual price, that like the ending price, the ending profit, all that. So this is the post data worksheet. And then this is their analyzing the plan worksheet. So this is where they can, after they've done their business, they go through, they figure out what were the pros, what were the cons, what are some things you would change if you were to do this business again. Would you do this business again? Okay, so that's their thing there. And then we've got, here's business 2. So that has the same worksheets, goes all the way through business 3, business 4. So those are the same 5 worksheets. Let's see, execute. Those are the same 5 worksheets for the 4 businesses, okay? Then this is their year-end analyze success. So this is where they go through and they compare, there we go, there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they compare the 4 businesses. They put in the ending data, the analyzing data, and see which one was the best. And then here's the answer keys. This page here is business ideas. So this is just some different business ideas that are good businesses for kids to have. It's not it's not an absolute list. They come up with their own ideas. That's great. That's what you want. It's an entrepreneurship course. This is just made to help guide them through the process to start a business, to be successful and understand business a little bit better. They're not just kind of trial and error. This is going to help guide them through that. So you want them to come up with their own business ideas. You want them to learn from their own experiences. So that's our kids entrepreneur course, and it is on sale right now for a limited time for 60% off with back to school sales. So it's a good time to grab it. It's pretty cheap. Most curriculums are anywhere from $30 on up to over $100. This is well under that. So I hope you enjoy it, and I would love to see what you do with your kids. If you get this course, I would love to see. Send me some pictures, post them on the blog Facebook page or whatever, or message me with them. I would love to see kind of what your results are. And if you have any feedback, please send it to me. I'm always open to improving things and making them work better. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. Now that school's getting ready to start, I will be showing a lot more videos about homeschooling and how we're going to do things around our house, and some of the projects and things and tools and curriculums that we're going to be using. So I would love to share that with you. If you're a homeschooler or you're just interested in that kind of stuff, follow along. Thanks for watching.